What up, me guys and me galdom? Hopefully the audio is good this time, because I'm not changing it. But welcome! It's Tai Chi here. Nathan, if you didn't know. But here is what is supposed to be, well, was supposed to be my first cooking video. well, now it's like my second. So, it's just steak. Hope you guys enjoy. It's kind of shitty video quality because it was my first from my first phone, and I was shaking all over the place. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. If you're new, want more cooking videos, like what's going on, like the video, subscribe, comment, see what's new or what is coming out, or even just to communicate. I have my Discord and everything else there. Kakarot will be out in 2 days. That will be streamed at least an hour for Fridays and so on. But other than that, thank you very much for the support, guys. Love you all, and peace.
So this is going to be my first cooking video. Just some simple steaks, marinated over 48 hours, I'm pretty sure it was. Just have them on low heat right now to get them on one side. Couple minutes on one side, about a minute and a half to 2 minutes on one side, and then another minute and a half to 2 minutes on the other side. I will be making some rice as well. Gotta get that. Don't mind the dirty kitchen. Live in the house with a bunch of other friends and whatnot. But yeah, gonna make some rice. So you got the rice in my good old slide seal. So gonna make some rice. Just a little dish. I don't really have much else. No onions, no other vegetables. Because, still broke ass, but it's okay. It's okay. Right now, we are going to get everything started for the channel, cooking, gaming, everything. We'll get everything together in due time. But this is me. If you didn't know who I was, it's me, Tai Chi. How you doing? So, we are cooking, and that's what we're up to today. That's about it. Well, tonight, I should say. Some steaks. Good old steaks. Oh, covered. Sorry, guys. But yeah, as it is, I'm using my cell phone, and it is not that good of quality because it's a crappy cell phone. But with that, I'll get the best for you guys for the first cooking video. But you see, I'm using my grill pan to get those grill lines. Just a little grill line in it. But like I said, just a couple minutes on one side, a couple minutes on another. Gotta make the rice. But I will get the end product out for you guys afterwards, because I'm not holding this phone the whole time while I'm cooking. So, yeah, get it after. Peace. So here's the finished product. Nice looking steak. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Get the hell out of here. See, nice look, nice look. You guys see it well? Beautiful steak, like I said. A couple minutes on each side. It took a little bit longer than I said in the first part because they're a little thick, and I need to make sure that it wasn't too bloody, but still how I like it. So yeah, first cooking video, but it's really just steak, not much cooking, because I'm just making the rice. It's just rice and steak. So thank you guys, and hope you enjoyed looking at the steak. Okay, peace.